Good Thursday evening, everyone. I want to jump on here right now and give you a quick update on the severe weather potential we face coming in both Friday night and Saturday. First of all, this is Friday evening's weather map, and this is the storm system that we'll be monitoring for that particular situation. So you can see a warm front extending to the east, cold front hanging off down here to the south. Anytime you're southeast of the area of low pressure, that's where the greatest risk for severe weather typically is. So that's for all of these folks right there here. And that is, of course, where the Storm Prediction Center has placed a slight risk for severe weather for Friday night. That is a bit west and northwest of Nashville, but they still have us in the marginal risk for severe weather. So we can't let our guard down completely. Our risk is low, but it's not zero. So I'll be keeping a close eye on this. Hopefully tomorrow I can update you all and say that our risk is even lower for Friday night. But I'm not there yet. Just something to kind of keep an eye on. And this for Saturday evening. Now we have an area of low pressure that's here, and looky here, we're southeast of that area of low pressure. Now, if this area of low pressure comes closer to us, we'll be more in the rain. If it goes farther to the northwest, we'll be in a little bit more trouble. As long as it doesn't go too far northwest, then we'd be in better shape. But right now, it looks like the compromise is going to be, it's going to probably go right through southern Illinois, southern Indiana. That puts us in a tough spot, to be honest with you. So I don't see Tennessee getting through this without severe weather. The question is, to what magnitude is that severe weather? Is this several tornadoes, or is this one tornado? Is it just some severe thunderstorms, or is it just a lot of heavy rain? If this turns into a huge rainmaker, we end up with 3-4 inches of rain and less severe weather. So we'll hope for clouds and rain on Saturday. I know that's not how we want to start our new year, but we may want to start it off that way this year. Should the sun pop out on Saturday, certainly that would put us in a more unstable atmosphere. But folks, we're already 20 to 25 degrees above normal. We don't need sun to warm us up any more than what we already are to be at risk for severe weather. The warm air is in place. That warm air has been here much of this month. So it's just the atmosphere playing along that we have to kind of keep being mindful of. So the Storm Prediction Center has placed our entire region in a slight risk for the third day out. This is for Saturday, and they issued this morning. So there's a good chance that somebody in this region is going to be upgraded to higher probabilities, and I'd say tonight's outlook will probably raise these folks down here first. Northern Alabama, northern Mississippi, southern Middle Tennessee. I'm not sure that'll reach to us just yet in the outlooks. They'll probably want to wait until we get a little bit closer to the event and see how things are going to play out. But certainly I can foresee upgrades to this slight risk as we get closer to the time. And again, my concern for Friday night's on the low end of the scale. Some damaging straight line winds, maybe a tornado. That chance is very, very, very low. And again, hopefully I can update you all tomorrow and tell you that the threat's even lower. Saturday's a different story. My concern is at the medium level. I don't see this dropping to low. If anything, I see myself raising this to a high level of concern, just depending on what the data looks like that comes in later tonight, the data that comes in tomorrow and tomorrow night. We hope we can get through this without any severe weather. We've been very lucky thus far. So let's hope that luck holds. I will say, we've had, severe weather hit to our west, across western Kentucky, West Tennessee, Middle Tennessee. Then severe weather hit the Iowa area with big storms a week or so after that. Then Florida got hit with some big storms. We're kind of the ones that keep getting missed here. So hopefully our luck will hold. But let's be prepared just in case it doesn't. And I'm noticing on the map all kinds of advisories being issued right now across the country, including a fog advisory that has just been issued for our area for tonight and tomorrow morning. So be aware of that if you're out and about. I'll be right here, folks, watching it all for you, monitoring everything, keeping in touch with the Weather Service and making sure that I'm up to speed on everything that they're putting out there, as well as the Storm Prediction Center, the model data, my own, guidance on this stuff. So I'm familiar with this area, that is for sure, and I will keep you posted on what's going on. So just keep it to the blog, keep it right here, meteorologistsmart.com.